The website has a feature to order and buy products online. Following guide includes steps on how to filter, sort, and also add products to the shopping cart. At the end, it will also show step-by-step payment process. Let's start with filtering products. In the header of the website, different sections of the products can be found. Choosing a relevant section will bring you to a page where products of that section are listed. At the left part of the page, you have filter section, where you can choose to filter out products from that section. If you click on the filter, it will enable it. Then you will be able to see enabled filters on top of the products, where you can also cancel them with a red canceling button on each filter. To clear all filters simultaneously, press the button Clear All at the top of filter section. Now let's continue and see how to sort products. At the right corner of this section, sorting options are available. Clicking on the chosen sorting option will bring down a list of sorting options to choose from. Here, choosing another sorting option will refresh the page and the sequence of the products will be reconfigured. Now let's see how to add product to the basket. Each product in the list is represented with a picture, the price, and other relevant information below the picture. Hovering on a product with mouse will bring a basket icon, clicking on which will add product to the basket of the client. If the chosen product is available in the store, the product will be successfully adding to the shopping cart, and this window will pop up. From this window you have two options: either continue shopping by clicking on this button, or clicking the button Process to Checkout, which will bring you to a page to add your information and finalize the buying process. Let's now click on Continue Shopping. To add a product to your shopping cart or basket, click on the button Add to Cart. If the chosen quantity is available in the store, the product will be successfully added to the shopping cart, and the window that we seen before will pop up. Otherwise section will arise where you can write your email to be notified when the product is available. Let's now click on Continue Shopping. Here we can also change the quantity and buy, for example, more than one of this product by changing quantity from here. Let's again continue shopping. You can click on Process to Checkout to go to final step of paying, but if you misclick and close the pop-up window, don't worry, you can finalize purchase from another path. Shopping cart button is available on the header of the website. If we click it, we can see the products we have in the basket. Let's click on the shopping cart to open and finalize the purchase. Here we can see the final information about our shopping cart and the fee we have to pay, and if we click on the button Process to Checkout, it will bring us to the page where we can start writing our information and buy the products. If you don't have an account, you should choose the option Order as a Guest and fill in mandatory fields. You can also optionally create an account so that you can sign in during next order and save time. Note that to continue you have to agree with terms and conditions by ticking the box near it. Terms and conditions of use are available in the footer of the website under section Our Company. If you want to additionally check it before signing an agreement, you can check it here. Clicking button continue will go to the section addresses. You can still edit information provided in the information section by clicking the edit button on the upper right corner. The next section is addresses section. The information provided in addresses section is for delivery of the product. To complete the section, fill all mandatory fields and click the button continue at the lower right corner. If possible, also fill optional fields. Note that at the lower left corner you have the option to use this address for invoice 2. Check that if you want the address specified in the field to be used as your invoice 2. The next section is the section delivery method, where you have to specify the delivery method. Here you have two options to choose from, either free delivery or picking up from the store. Note that free delivery is not available everywhere, and you need to check if it is available in your location before choosing the option. Below you have an optional comment section about your order. Feel free to write any comments about order. If you have other comments about products, services or business, use contact information from the footer. It is in the section Contact Us. If another person picks up the order, don't forget to change the default value of the box in the red section from no to yes. Click on the button continue to go to final section of the payment process. This payment section supports various payment methods listed in these pictures. After specifying card detail in mandatory fields, you have to accept terms of services by clicking this button, and then you can click order with obligation to pay to finalize the process. After verifying the transaction, you have successfully ordered the product or products from Harbor Appliance Store. Congratulations. If you are having any problems with verifying the transaction, a problem might be with your card. Try contacting your bank system for additional information.